Everyone, welcome to Raj Physics Academy. Today in this section we are going to review best reference book for 12th CBSE Physics, Comprehensive Physics, published by Lakshmi Publication. Our sincere thanks to Lakshmi Publication Private Limited, Mr. Ravichandran and Mr. Chandra Balaji. I would like to talk to you for a few minutes just to give you an idea of some of the special feature of this Comprehensive Physics Grade 12 CBSE. The salient feature of the present edition of the books are as under. The emphasis is on the basic conceptual understanding of the course. A serious attempt has been made to promote the problem-solving abilities of the students. The application of physics concept to real-life situation has been stressed. This would make the study of the course content interesting. Emphasis has been laid on the use of SI unit, symbols, and nomenclature of physical quantities as per international standards. For easy comprehension, the language and presentation of the book has been made simplifier. Practically, all suggestions received from a large number of teachers have been incorporated. Some of the distinguishing features of the books are the subject matter has been arranged in a systematic manner, strictly in accordance with the CBSE syllabus. The language used in the book is simple and easily understandable. The glimpses given in each chapter provide an insight to the entire chapter. This can be used to quick revision also. The books contain a very large number of illustrative diagrams. They are neat, well labeled and can easily resketched by the students. A very large number of solved and unsolved numerical problems and all topics have been given under the appropriate articles for the guidance of the students. It is hoped doubtlessly that after a student goes through the solved examples of any topic, sufficient confidence will build up in him to work out unsolved problems to the topic. To further help the students, useful hints or complete solutions of different problems have been given at the end of each exercise. For added your knowledge, boxes given in the book at each and every chapters. Many places provided additional information to the students which may provide useful for competitive examinations. Another special feature of the book is that it contains a very large number of reasoning based solved problems in a sections very short answer conceptual problem and a short answer conceptual problem. At the end of the chapter there is a text based exercise and NCERT solutions. Each exercise includes a vast collection of questions asked in previous examination paper of CBSE and various state boards and many other state boards of India. The exercise has been taken split into three sections. Type A contains very short answers, 1 mark. Type B contains short answer questions each carrying 2 or 3 mark. Type C contains a long answer question each carrying 5 mark. Answers of all these questions have been provided at the end of each sections. We are sure you will agree with us that the fact and formula of physics are just the same in all the books. The difference lies in the method of presenting this fact to the students. In this book, the various topics of physics have been explained in such a simple way that while reading this book, a student will feel as if a teacher is sitting by his side and explaining the various things to him. Please note that answers have also given for the various type of questions. Wherever required, all the features will make this book even more useful to the students as well as the teachers. A picture can say 1,000. Keeping in this mind, a large number of pictures and sketches of various scientific process, procedures, appliances, manufacturing plants, and everyday situation involving principles of physics have been given in this revised editions of this book. This will help the students to understand the various concepts of physics clearly. It will also tell them how physics is applied in the real situation in homes, transport, and industry. We are sure that after reading this book, the students will develop a special interest in physics and they would like to study physics in higher class as well. Thank you.